Hi, in this CBT techniques video, this is an introduction to the highlighting thoughts module. And this module contains a bunch of different skills. Basically, the bottom line of each of these skills is we're trying to highlight the thinking that our clients are coming in with, which are ultimately in the CBT model, the cause of their suffering. And within this model, there's several different types of thinking, different types of thoughts that ultimately influence how we go about in our lives and interpret what happens around us. You can kind of imagine, from a CBT perspective, that the world is kind of bland, almost like a flat field, if you will. And the different types of automatic thoughts or schemas that we have are what give this flat field definition. And it's going to be different for every single person, which goes a long way in explaining why it is that people have such dramatically different worldviews, ways of sizing up situations, and ultimately different emotions and behaviors in different situations. We're seeing different worlds. So what are the two different types of thoughts that CBT focuses on? Well, the first and most basic is automatic thoughts. Automatic thoughts are those knee-jerk reactions we have to things, and what researchers have found is that for each person, they have their own unique habits of thinking. Getting caught off in traffic, well, didn't that person see me? Lining up in line to get lunch, well, didn't everyone see me that I was standing here? That you start seeing a pattern of, for this particular example, an automatic thought of, doesn't anyone see me? And these automatic thoughts are going to be very quick. They're basically the go-to that a person has, and they're not that they're superficial, but they're pretty straightforward. The second type of thoughts that people have, they're more fundamental, more basic, really the root of our being, are called schemas. And within CBT, a schema, like I said, are these dramatically basic, primal, meaty root beliefs that we have about ourselves. The sort of things that people come in with as far as schemas go are things like, well, I'm not loved, or I'm lost, or no one cares about me, I'm worthless. They're very straightforward, they're very basic, and in that sense they're clean. I don't mean clean being that there is something that we want, but they're totally unambiguous. And within CBT, a lot of the work that we do is trying to uncover what those automatic thoughts are in order to eventually help the client see the schemas that they're carrying with them. So this group of skills in this module is designed to do exactly that, to raise these thoughts into the awareness, the conscious awareness of people, to highlight, to make more obvious that these automatic thoughts and schemas exist, so that a person has a chance of challenging them. Because even though we have our own schemas, we have our own automatic thoughts, and they're all rather individualistic, well, that doesn't mean we're stuck with them. And in other modules, we're going to be learning how to challenge more effectively these thoughts and to be able to reshape some of these schemas that we're carrying around with us. But the first step is highlighting what they are. That's the beginning of the work, and CBT carries on from there. I hope you enjoyed this video and this entire video series. If you like it, give it a like, share it with your friends. If you want to leave a comment, you can do so in the comment box, or check out my website and shoot me an email, or you can support my work on Patreon. I'll see you in the next video.